Welcome back. I'm Scott alongside Rob, and it is Friday, December 14th, 2018.
Chevy Chase tests a Werner Ladder, and Ridgid launches a new yoga mat.
That's right, and we celebrate our 20th barrel grip joke. All that and more.
This is your Coptool Weekend Review.
We start off this week with Rob Robillard and the DeWalt FlexVolt 9-inch cutoff saw. He claims to have first laid eyes on this beauty at the 2018 World of Concrete, and apparently a year later, the honeymoon has just begun. Rob puts the saw to work cutting several types of stone and a 10-foot channel in asphalt, and he can't seem to find anything not to like. So if you're looking to fall in love with your first concrete saw, head over to Toolbox Buzz on YouTube.
Scott Brown officially became my favorite tradesman this week by dedicating an episode to his new barrel grip jigsaw from Ikeda. He briefly compares it to the lesser D-handle saws he keeps on hand, pointing out the unique ability to use the barrel grip upside down, making it easier to cope crown molding. For more proof that the Ikeda is nice, but the barrel grip's the star, be sure to head to Scott Brown Carpentry on YouTube.
Dude, your whole barrel grip thing, it's kind of an illness now.
It's love, brother.
Speaking of unusual tools, our reliable investigative reporter Javier at Tool Craze revealed two new tools that caught our eye this week. First up is the new Ryobi 18-volt digging tool, because Ryobi has officially run out of tools to put their batteries on. So why not a shovel? Second, it's the Ridgid LED yoga mat, and now I know what to get Clint from Tool Review Zone for Christmas. The LED light mat features 1,500 lumens of illumination in a format that you can roll up, wrap, or hang. For even more exciting tool news, head over to toolcraze.net.
If you're a fan of tools in action, you know that every video Eric shows up in is immediately filled with comments about his uncanny resemblance to an unknown American actor named Chevy Chase. So that's not new, but this week Eric and Dan reviewed a new Werner multi-position ladder, which led to the best Chevy Chase comment ever left on a TIA video. YouTuber user Lord Ball simply left a link to this video. If you don't recognize that clip and consequently hate Christmas, you'll at least love the review at TIA. You can find them at Tools in Action on YouTube.
As you approach your own Christmas vacation, don't forget to spend time in your own shop making something for yourself. For some ideas to get you started, we'll head over to Sarah's shop for her project of the week.
First up, we have a killer bunk bed project from Mark Spagnolo, also known as the Wood Whisperer. Mark shares a detailed video how he tackled this project with the plans that he pretty much made up along the way. It took a crazy amount of material, time, space, patience, a couple happy accidents, and a little bit of assistance to put it all together. The end result is amazing. Plus, it was a huge hit with the mini spags. You can find the plans and the awesome video at The Wood Whisperer on YouTube. Big thanks to Mike Zeke for the suggestion to feature Laura Kampf in our projects this week. You are not wrong. Her videos are very detailed and creative, also addicting to watch. So addicting in fact that it's pretty much all I've done this week. Anyway, this week Laura takes an old car seat and some scrap materials from around her shop and turns them into a heated workshop chair. I love the idea of not having to heat an entire room, but just the space where you're working. I might need to upgrade my chair to one of these. You can find the video for this project and so many more of Laura's over on her YouTube channel. Well, that's it for me this week. If you find a project that you think that I should feature in the show, go ahead and email me at projects@coptool.com. We'll see you next week.
Thanks, Sarah. So apparently I wasn't the only one who felt a bit cheated by AVE when 2 weeks ago, he tore apart one of my favorite tools, broke it, and then tested it, in that order. So in response to the many complaints in the comments, AVE decided to redeem himself by fixing the tool, giving the little Ridgid some more chooch for the cooch, and eschews traditional microcontrollery, and fabricobbles a microcontrol system of his own. Please just don't make me explain that. I know you'll enjoy all 16 minutes of this bumblefugery over at AVE on YouTube.
It's not uncommon to find tradesmen using tools nearly as old as their apprentices. This week, Richard from Finnish Carpentry TV showed up to a job site where he found a 21-year-old stud finder and decided he needed to compare it to his modern one. I don't want to spoil the surprise, but the 21-year-old kicks its butt. To be fair, back in 1997, Scott and I were both still single, so it was a lot easier to find a stud.
Oh my God.
What?
He's not wrong, Sarah. Before we go, let's head over to Instagram, where Tools by Design was showing off the new Mercadillo sander, featuring a 3.2 by 5.2 pad with a fixed 3mm orbit. Using Merca's famous Abranet paper, TBD claims the tool is ideal for tight and low profile spaces, and the comfortable grip does a great job of isolating vibrations. He tells us plenty in the comments, but reduces the video review to only 2 words.
Awesome sander.
Agreed. You can see more at Tools by Design on Instagram.
Finally, while browsing our Instagram feed this week, we were stopped in our tracks by Krueger Construction as Murray decided to put the Milwaukee Pack-Out backpack to the test, apparently making him 100% mobile, if not 2 to 3 inches shorter by the end of the day. Murray is also giving away a cool set of wrenches from Stanley in a limited edition collection commemorating their 175th birthday. Unfortunately for me, the contest is only open to our Canadian friends. So if you're Canadian and want to win some tools, be sure to follow Krueger Construction on Instagram.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for us this week.
Yeah.
We have a big winner. Matthew Lowe, congratulations. What did he win from last week?
He won the 13th bucket of Christmas from Ohio Power Tool. It had a whole bunch of like $400 worth of stuff in it.
Had the Bosch Flexi Click in it, that's right.
Yeah.
All right, so what are we giving away this week?
So this week we actually have another prize from Milwaukee. This is the Milwaukee M18 orbital sander, and we've got it in like a full kit. It's got a cool bag and battery and charger, all kinds of stuff. So that's awesome. Yeah, I want to win that kind of badly. So, but I don't think I qualify.
You are not allowed.
No, I'm not. But you guys are. So if you'd like to get entered, be sure to go to coptool.com/contest to get entered.
Because Christmas is here.
Oh my gosh. It got here super quick, but yes, it's just about here.
You gonna ask for something?
Okay, so yes. And this is gonna be, at this point, super cliche, but I really do want a new barrel grip. Yeah, I know. I've had my Bosch for like 15 years or something. It's my favorite tool.
But that's corded, right?
It is, and that's why I want to get a cordless one. So Milwaukee did come out with theirs first, and we have one on hand that we're testing right now. But DeWalt said they're gonna send us theirs soon. So I'm kind of holding out. So I'm just telling, saying I'd like a gift card to Ohio Power Tool would be great.
Which is gonna win your heart?
I know, who knows?
Stay tuned, guys.
So what did you ask for?
Well, I'm a DeWalt guy, some, and but I've got more batteries than I have tools. So
really?
We're gonna fix that this year.
So you want some bare DeWalt tools?
Yeah, just bare tools. As I'm keeping it easy on my
any
family.
of them?
Don't need the charger. Don't need the. I got the XR battery. I got the little 1.5 amp hour ones, the little cutie ones, and yeah. Well, I want an impact driver. I want the brushless impact
specifically.
Driver. Yeah.
Cool. Well, good luck with that.
Thank you, because after I take apart my Ridgid impact driver and make it like the AVE one, it will be ruined, and then I'll need that.
I think he mentioned something about selling the one that he made, which quite frankly, I guarantee you we will bid on that.
I will bid on that. Yes,
100%.
Absolutely.
Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a single episode. Thanks for joining us, Sarah.
Thanks guys, we'll see you next week.
Bye.